Starring Entertainment.
Well, this is my first teleserye po kasi. So I was really thrilled to know na it's about Evan, na it's connected with the Lord. So, kasi lalo na my mom, she's really religious. So, it really touches me a lot. It makes me cry, ganyan, na I'm part of this. My first ever one is Eman. It's about him. Ayun. And as for my preparation, it's with Direk Ryan, the chop-on technique. The Hollywood chop-on technique. Yun po yung tinuturo ko sa akin.
Jay?
Hello, good afternoon po. So I'm Jay Acosta playing as Francesca. And for me po, I think my character, without spoiling too much, is really pagmamahal. All about giving your all to someone you love and someone you want to. Your dreams in general. So if nag-aspire tayo to be more and to look at the bright side, feel ko po yun yung motivation po ni Francesca. And of course, I'm very thankful to be part of this spectacular teleserye po. Thank you po.
Thank you. Yet.
Inspiration ko dito, well, siyempre si God. After being away for a couple years sa serye, and going back to my faith with God, I think this is a blessing from Him, and definitely it's very timely lang na ganito rin yung show na ginagawa ko at yung ngayon na gagawin ko after some time. So yeah, my inspiration is God. To God be the glory, of course. I'm very thankful to be part of this show. Thank you.
Go, TJ.
Hello po. Magandang hapon po. I'm TJ Fernando. Uy. Ayun po. Ang inspirasyon ko dito, MG, as family talaga siya. Same din sa character kasi malaking factor din sa character ni Sid na pinili ko po dito, yung pamilya niya. And it's all about second chances na very sakto nga sa panahon natin ngayon. And very grateful ako syempre to be part of this amazing project po no, na show natin. And kasama po nakatrabaho yung mga wonderful na mga artista na to. And I'm very, very blessed and very, very thankful po. Yeah.
Go, Elson.
Hello everyone, I'm Alison de Dios and I'll be playing as Aeon. And my character is kababata ni Joe. And I idolize Joe. And I idolize him and I won't spoil a lot. Yun lang sasabihin ko. Okay. Best friend.
So maraming katanungan sa karakter mo kung sino ka sa buhay ni Cho.
Yes. So, yan. Abangan nyo na lang kung gusto nyo malaman pa.
That's relationship. O yun. Miss Donna.
Hello po, ako po si Donna Cariaga. Bakit inspiration, siguro i-connect ko na lang din dun sa character ko na may mga pagkakataon na yung mga taong tutulong sa'yo is yung mga hindi mo makaano-ano. So minsan kinakausap ka ni Lord through other people and sometimes and most of the time, yung mga taong hindi mo na-expect yung pwedeng magbigay sa'yo ng message na dinideliver ni God for you. So ayun po, ano po bang inspiration? This economy,
In this economy, kailangan natin to.
Ano gumanon, yes. Work, diba? Thank you po. So, yun po.
Go, Yasmin.
Yes, good afternoon po. I'm Yasmin Jill. I'll be playing the role of Priscilla, which is yung best friend ko ni Ruth, which is played by Ate Shaina. Siguro inspiration po for this show would definitely be my family and si Papa Jesus din po talaga. Kasi if I related po sa character ko, si Priscilla, sobrang ang dami niya pong pagdadaanan in terms of yung makikita niya sa buhay ni Ruth. Kung ano man yung pagdadaanan niya, without spoiling too much din po, she'll always be there for her. And aside from that, yung belief na kung ano man yung mangyayari sa buhay mo, si Papa Jesus nandyan to let you go through it. And I started acting po back in 2013. First teleserye ko din po ito. So inspiration ko din po talaga is si Papa Jesus in terms of siya po ay Binigay niyo po sa akin yung project na to, very first teleserye, even if it's been how many years po. So, very timely po itong proyektong to, kaya I'm very grateful na yung first project ko po is about Emma. So,
Congrats!
thank you so much.
And Ivan.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyo. Siguro yung inspirasyon ko po dito is huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa. Kasi sa show na to, it is really special to me. And for sure, magiging special dito sa inyo kapag mapanood. Kasi sa show na to, talagang makaka-relate kayo. Kasi lahat naman tayo may pinagdadaanan sa buhay. And sa show na to talagang ipapakita kung paano mo to harapin. And ayun, siguro doon ako na-inspired. And yeah.
Thank you so much for that. Now on, we go on to the creatives. Sir BJ, napansin namin kahit na inspiration.
How do I say this without really sharing too much? I guess, you know what, I guess there's two sides to the story, and the first one is talking about, like the show talks about second chances and all that. I think my character could, if you want, could represent someone who doesn't see any reason to change.
Yun. Let's stop there. Kasi may mga tanong pa rin naman mamaya. Ayan. Pero ito para kay Riley. Riley, ang galing-galing mo naman mag-FSL. Ikwento mo naman yung experience mo sa pag-aral ng sign language at sa mga eksena mo with your parents dito sa My Best Friend, Emma.
He was asked to retire.
Galing.
Basta ang kwento sa akin,
Yung ano po, paano mo pinaghandaan ng ano, no, yung mga eksena, lalo na challenging siya, no, nag-sign language ka all throughout, pinaiyak mo kami, ilang eksena pa lang.
Sinabi agad sa kanya.
Pinaghandaan ko po ito is,
We are retired.
nag-aral po ako ng sign language. Nag-search po ako sa
Ito lang.
YouTube kung ano po yung
Tapos
mga
nagtanong siya, bakit po?
iba ko pa pong matutunan
Walang
sa
sinabi.
sign language. At doon po
Walang
sa
sinabi.
pag-acting, meron po akong coach doon, si
Siya ang nag-retire.
Derek Ryan,
Siya talaga.
Carla.
at saka si Derek Ryan.
Tapos siya,
Wow.
siya kasi.
Nakakatuwa.
Commanding.
Congratulations.
Sabi niya,
Ayan. And of course,